It's a really good question. And, sometimes it's buzzwords, but this is really a real word that we need to pay attention to, right? Why is resilience the new security? Let's take it a step back. Let's look at security in sense that security used to be defined as preventing attacks from getting in, essentially. Right? But the reality today is that threats are moving too fast for us, right? Environments change too quickly. Attackers only need to be right once. And resilience shifts the mindset from perfect protection to continuous operations. It is the ability to absorb a hit, to maintain operations, and recover quickly with minimal disruption.
So I think that answer kind of hit some of the things on the head that, at least on the head nerd team, we've been preaching, where business continuity is now more important than ever. So you talk about continuous vigilance, right? I hear that and I go, okay, I need 24/7 SOC. I need some type of disaster recovery in plan that is quick and efficient. But on top of that, I need well thought out incident response that can around the clock be implemented.
100% correct, Joe. It's just preparation, right? What have you done to prepare for these items? In my lifetime, when I've been in incidents, and when I used to be an MSP and different things, a lot of times I'd get into an environment where there was IT team members, and I would talk to them. Hey, let's run a tabletop. Let's actually go through these items and figure out how we would react. What is the resilience that we're at right now? And sadly, many times it was a deer in the headlights kind of look, right? Like, hey, we're hit with this. What do you do? And it's like, I don't know, right? Like, I call you. It's like, well, yeah, but what if I'm on vacation? What if I'm doing this, right? It's like, we need to be a partnership here. We must be a team, and we need to lean on each other. So let's go through these items so that way we can be resilient and not allow a company to really succumb to what many call an extinction event. Right. And just to define what an extinction event is, I go back and I think of like the dinosaurs. What happened to the dinosaurs? Supposedly, there was an extinction event. They became extinct. And that's what customers and partners and MSPs and SMBs face every day, right? Every minute. There's a possibility that an attack can potentially bring them down. So resilience really defines, can you survive that? Can you continue to operate, as you mentioned, Joe, right? That we're talking about, can you recover? Can you actually not have your business succumb to an extinction event?